OPPO is currently working on the OPPO Find X8 Ultra, its absolute flagship smartphone for 2025. Reports have revealed that the lineup will also include an Ultra model and OPPO Find X8 Mini, which will possibly debut in Q1 2025. New rumor claims the OPPO Find X8 Ultra won't officially be sold outside of China. The OPPO Find X8 Ultra is featuring the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, potentially paired with 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. The phone is expected to launch with the latest ColorOS 15 build, an alert slider, an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. OPPO Find X8 Ultra feature a 6.8-inch quad-curved new OLED display with 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The Find X8 Ultra is rumored to retain the 1-inch 50-megapixel Sony LYT900 main sensor, alongside a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX9063X periscope telephoto camera, and a 50-megapixel Sony IMX8826X periscope telephoto camera. A 32-megapixel sensor will handle selfies. OPPO Find X8 Ultra powered by a 6000 mAh battery with support for 80W wired and 50W wireless charging. A leaked image from an online retailer, the phone will have a starting price of 6,499 Chinese yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.